How to unsilence notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus is a feature that lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. If any focus mode like Do Not Disturb is on, your notifications will be silenced. To turn it off, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the control center on your phone. Then, tap on the Focus button. Simply tap on Do Not Disturb to deactivate it. This will immediately unsilence all incoming calls, alerts, and notifications. Alternatively, go back to Settings and tap Notifications. Here, you can manage alert settings for individual apps. Scroll down and select an app from the list. If the Allow Notifications toggle is turned off, simply tap it to turn it back on to make sure to get notification sounds from the selected app. Following these steps, you can easily unsilence notifications on an iPhone.